You are about to witness the latest innovation in building technology. The Shropshire Constructing Excellence Club has collaborated with local and national construction innovators to create a scheme which will herald a new dawn for construction. The brief was to construct a house in a single day on a site having an occupier to take possession at the end of the day. This clearly demonstrated how much off-site work can be undertaken, improving the quality of our current building standards through careful quality-controlled building environments within manufacturing warehouses. The house had to be designed and constructed so that it is waterproofed on arrival at site. Therefore, the external and internal detailing is completed prior to arrival on site. This has never been done before. The Shropshire Constructing Excellence Club could clearly see that technology was available in the marketplace to undertake a project of this scale. However, the companies producing these products required a catalyst to bring this project forward. The Shropshire Constructing Excellence Club were that catalyst. We worked closely with Elements Europe, who provided the Tayunis internal framework and core pod, SIP Build, who did the roof structure, Chorus, who provided the roof cladding, Blocklis, who provided the brick slips, Weatherby Building Systems, who provided the render, Building Components, who coordinated detailed matters for the build on-site and prior to the site build, Base Architecture and Design helped and coordinated the detailed proposals for the build, Advanced Systems provided the brick slip panels for the product. Our other partners for this project were West Midlands Centre for Constructing Excellence, Transforming Telford, Telford College of Art and Technology, Roger Bullivant, Telford and Heartlands Crane Hire, 7 Video. The Shropshire Constructing Excellence Club would like to thank all of our partners for their assistance.
Tayunis Modular is a factory constructed, highly sustainable, affordable house. It's to code level 4 for the Code for Sustainable Homes, so it's quite groundbreaking in that sense really, because we're doing a factory manufactured product which can be delivered to site ahead of government targets for sustainability and environmental friendliness. We've come together with a number of local companies to deliver the completed house. Obviously what we do is an element of the house. We've had companies that have brought down the brick slips, the render and also the roofing system to complement our modular housing system.
Well, this scheme's about showing off the very best of construction technology, which we're leading on in the county. I think one of the great things is we're showcasing here in Telford what the work of the Construction Excellence Club's doing right across Shropshire, and we really are blazing a trail for the country. This construction of a house in a day, a sort of pilot project, shows what can be achieved by organisations working together and by off-site construction.
Today, basically, we've brought together a number of companies to deliver this innovative solution of a house in a day. There's lots of issues surrounding sustainability and affordable housing, and through Shropshire Constructing Excellence Group, which Transforming Telford supports, we've brought together various partners to deliver this solution.
House in a Day shows how technology has progressed in terms of building off-site. Because we can build a house in a day, it shows that well into the 90% of the work can be done within a factory. That helps us with the material waste, it helps us with the quality of the build, it helps us with delivery on site in terms of speed, and it helps us with the lack of skills that we've currently got within the construction industry. The construction industry has obviously suffered during the recession, and a system build like this allows for rapid production of high quality building modules to be brought to site. What's unique about what we're doing here today is that it's the internal and external skin of the pod that's being dealt with, so it's a waterproof system that's delivered in 24 hours. The house itself achieved a Code for Sustainable Homes rating of 4, which was predominantly achieved through high levels of insulation and passive heating and ventilation systems. The house also accords with government directives as follows: fast track building, to reduce the backlog in construction of new homes and meet the target of 3 million homes by 2015. Affordability. Through factory-imposed quality systems and strict supervision, House in a Day produces economies of scale through automotive production and purchasing techniques. In addition, waste is reduced to an absolute minimum. Sustainability. This method of construction produces a Code for Sustainable Homes Level 4, with the opportunity to increase the code to Level 5 or 6 should the need arise. This exceeds the current government requirements of Code Level 3. Lack of skills. There is a growing shortage of skilled labour in the construction industry which, due to the lack of training opportunities, will only increase in the foreseeable future. Produced in a factory under strict supervision and quality control, House in a Day addresses the issues of lack of skill on site. Reducing unemployment. Once House in a Day goes into full production, there will be a need to create strategic partnerships around the country to meet demand. It is intended that these additional production units should be located in areas close to their market, which means large conurbations.